Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and I may have been watching a little bit too much of the Curious Creations of Christine McConnell that I am just inspired to do a really cute Halloween treat. Now it's not going to be like hyper realistic like hers is, because like I'm not as amazing as her, but today I thought I'd make some creepy cute hot chocolate. It's kind of like that unicorn hot chocolate everybody did, but like Halloween themed. So we're going to need some milk, some white chocolate chips, a food dye of your choice, and some topping choices. Today I picked up some like ghost peeps, some edible bats, sprinkles, eyeballs, a cute little new cup, and some whipped cream and gel. But let's move on to the actual making of the hot chocolate. So I'm going to bring you over to my stove area and I'll be right back. So I already put 1 cup in, but we're going to do 4 cups of milk into here. I just didn't realize my camera wasn't on right then. But yeah, just 4 cups of milk into your pan. 3, and 1 more. 4. And you're gonna bring that up onto a medium heat and let simmer until it starts bubbling a little bit. Now that the milk is starting to bubble up, you're gonna start adding in your chocolate. And I got a bag that's about 2 cups. So you wanna use about 3/4 of the bag, 2/3 of the bag. About 3/4 of the bag of it, it'll be 1.5 cups. If you wanna measure it out, you can. I am lazy, so I'm not gonna measure it out. So, and you're just gonna stir it in and you're gonna let it melt throughout the milk. And you're gonna keep stirring it until the chocolate is completely melted. I'm sorry I'm sitting at an awkward angle. Still trying to figure out how to do this whole camera in the kitchen thing. So I know I forgot to mention this before, but I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm gonna mix in my dye. Now I'm using a neon purple dye, but you can use any color you want. So if you want it to be orange, if you want it to be green, if you want it to be black, you can really make it any color, but I thought purple would be really fun. So I'm just gonna add a couple drops of that to my base and start mixing it in so we get a nice vibrant. I'm gonna probably add a little bit more because I want a really bright purple for mine. Right now it's still just a milky purple, but we want a bright, bright, bright Halloween purple. And your hot chocolate should look something like this when you're done. So now that the hot chocolate is ready to go, we are gonna start decorating our cup. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see a little bit better what I'm doing with the decorating. So I found this super cute cup from AC Moore and it says poison on it and it's a cute mason jar, but I'm gonna get rid of the lid and the straw for just this hot chocolate. Going in with a ladle and I'm gonna start pouring in the hot chocolate into the cup. And you wanna be very careful and not be like me and spill it. Again, this is why I'm not Christine McConnell. She's perfect and I can't even pour hot chocolate into a cup without making a mess of myself. Now I'm going in with this green sparkle gel and I'm gonna start dripping this along the edge to be like a green ooze coming out. So we're just gonna put that throughout. Put that around the cup and just let it drip down. You're going too far, buddy. So we got our ooze on. If you ooze, you lose. If you know what movie that's from, please comment down below. It is one of my all-time favorite movies ever. Ivan Ooze is an icon. So now that we got our ooze going on, we are gonna go in and throw on some whipped cream because you can't have hot chocolate without some whipped cream. I'm just gonna go in. And you wanna apply like a hearty amount because this is going to be the base for like all your stuff. So I'm gonna take some sprinkles and I'm just gonna dab those on top. Realize the sprinkle thing I bought doesn't have a shaker. I'm just gonna go in. This is the fun part because basically you can just go crazy with your decorations and make it as cute as you want. So I like a lot of sprinkles, so I'm adding a lot of those. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take myself a Keep Marshmallow Ghost and I'm gonna pop that in there. And the whipped cream. And maybe even throw in a little pumpkin. And I also picked up some of these cute little edible bats that I thought would literally be perfect on top of this. So I'm gonna put a couple of those little bad boys in there. And there you go, you got yourself a creepy cute Halloween hot chocolate. Now I got this super cute plate at Joann, so I thought it'd look really cute on top of that. So we're just gonna set our hot chocolate on the plate. You can't have hot chocolate without some cookies, so of course we gotta have the staple, the best Halloween cookie, the Pillsbury pumpkin cookies or ghosts. I wanted to get the ghosts, but they were out of the ghosts at the store, so we got some pumpkins, which will pair perfectly with your yummy, spooky cute hot chocolate. God, now doesn't that look amazing? I am obsessed. Oh my God, I cannot wait to dive into this. Oh my gosh, let's get a better look at this. Cause like literally like, oh my God, I just want to eat it all. So this is literally the cutest thing I've ever made. I am so obsessed with this. I cannot wait to put on Hocus Pocus and relax and drink this now. This was so much fun to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys recreate this, please tag me in your Instagram or just comment down below. Let me know. I want to see your guys' cute hot chocolates and what you do with it. I am so obsessed with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that'd be really rad of you guys. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!